Hi everyone, Trina here, back with another watercolor video. Today we're working on the Canson XL 8x10 sheet of paper. I'm just going to come in with my white Caran d'Ache Neo Color 1 wax crayon. And we're just going to make pretty aggressive marks through here. And I kind of want to bring down some marks through here. I know that you can't see this. I can barely see it. But I like this resist technique, so we're going to continue using it. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is come in with our sheet of plastic. I got a bigger sheet of plastic this time, so I can kind of see where the colors might lay out. This is the weathered wood, Distress Oxide, and we're just going to put some of that down. And if you're here yesterday, this worked out pretty well. I'm going to put in some faded jeans as well. And I know I'm overlapping. Please don't come for me. I mean, to me, they all get mixed together anyway. Let's spritz this down. And then I'm just going to rub it out with my fingers a little bit where I want the pieces to go. Might need more water, maybe. No, I think I want to stick with that. And then I'm going to come in. I want to see if it works with watercolor as well. So we're going to put in some of this indigo grayish blue that I made. I know it doesn't look like it's doing anything, but we're going to trust the process. That's what we're going to do. Okay, let's move this down out of the way. And then I'm going to take my hockey brush. This has a little bit of, it's a little dirty from the water. And we're just going to lay down some color. And a little dirty water's good, because then you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to keep spraying, and then we'll let it soak into the paper a little bit before we move on. Okay, before we move along, I've got this antique linen that I thought might be kind of fun to just spritz in a few places over here. And I want to do a lot of it, but I kind of want to see if it's going to, how it's going to react to. Okay, so we're just going to flip it on there. Okay, it didn't come down as much as I thought it would. Oh, I like the antique linen. That's pretty neat. I wonder what happens if we just, this is dry down here. That's kind of a neat effect. And the speckles there. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Well, they're there now. Okay, let's do a little tilting here. See if we can't bring this down just a little bit. I kind of like what's going on there. I know it's hard to see, guys. Make sure we're on frame. Let's move a little bit of this color around a little bit. That's kind of neat. It's kind of coming down there. Don't hate that. I love the antique linen going on there. So I wanted to try something else. I want a little bit more of this blue color of this faded jeans. So let's just take our skinny brayer. And where do I want it? I kind of want it to come through here just a little bit. So I'm going to brayer some of this on. And then I'm going to spray it and see what happens. I kind of like that though, but let's spray it and see what happens. Okay. This is just gonna maybe give it a little bit more color and drama through there, maybe. Let's bring it over this way a little bit. I kind of like that little bit of texture we got going on there. Okay. That worked pretty well. Okay, let's let this dry. Okay, I got my jelly plate out. Haven't gotten this out in a while. I want to put a line of texture through here. So if you're new to the channel, this is just kind of a neat way to add the Distress Oxide onto your work. And it gives you a nice, really fun layer. And you can also add texture. So I'm going to take this screen and kind of just make some marks. The OGs on the channel, subscribers know what I'm doing here. So that's our line. I know it looks very thin, but it's going to turn out great. So I'm just going to lay this down right through here. And it's not going to go all the way over because my paper is bigger than my jelly plate. Might be time for a new jelly plate. I do have a piece of plastic here on the back of my gel plate, just so I can rub it with my Baron, which I can't seem to find right now. That's how long it's been since I used my jelly plate. So we're just going to use our hands today. Okay. And then you get these lovely textures going through here. Okay, I've got a little bit of the umber here. I'm just going to make a mark, make some marks through here. And you can see where we lay down the crayon resist. I like that little section right there. Okay, I've mixed the chalk, liquid chalk, with the liquid umber. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. That's really pretty. Just do a little bit of that through there. I don't want a lot. I kind of want to keep a little bit of that. Should I bring some? I think I'm going to bring some through here as well. Trying to build up light layers. It's really hard for me because I really just want to put all the paint on at once. Let's bring a little bit of that through here. I think that's going to make a nice light sea foam color through there when it mixes with a little bit with that blue. I'm liking the Distress Oxides with the watercolor because I think they give two distinct different types of marks and different saturations. So that's kind of neat. Okay, I've got a little bit, I put out some weathered wood on the Distress Oxide onto that plastic and just made a little paint out of it. Oh, where did that blue come from? All right. Oh, it probably came off the plastic. Oops. Oops. That's okay. I don't mind it. As I say all the time, I don't hate it. And we just move on to whatever else we're doing. We kind of like this, how it's like meshing with that watercolor. Okay, I've rolled out a little bit of the weathered wood here on my skinny brayer. And I'm just gonna add in a little bit of texture through here. So it kind of feels like, I don't know, I felt like it needed something through there. It was looking a little stagnant. Love the skinny brayer. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Because I don't think I want it to be as dark as using the granulation medium. I just want it to be a little bit almost like sandy. Does that make sense? Because we kind of got some of that going on here with the, let's make a skinny mark through here. If you roll the brayer off to the side like this, you can get some really cool skinny marks. Okay, that's probably enough. We need to add something up here. Okay, I mixed up a little bit of the raw umber with some of that sepia tone black cherry pit. I just want to make some lines through here. These are going to dry pretty light. But I think I want it to be more black. Okay, I'm going to come in. I think instead of black, we're going to do the indigo blue. And I'm just going to make a mark going along here. I think I just want it to stop right there. I'm also going to come in. These are the Inktense blocks, and this is the indigo. Actually, let's get the fatter one. You can see how these kind of little areas right here. I just want to add a tiny bit of color through there. These are water soluble as well. So let's take a little bit of water, because I kind of wanted a little bit of drama through there. A little drama. Almost with a dry brush. We're just gonna make some marks through here. It's almost like land back there. But I didn't want it to be black or brown. I felt like it needed more than that. These Inktense are really, the blocks are really cool because you can actually wet them down and pick them up. So let's do a little dry brush through here. Yeah, like that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna need a little orange mark through here. Just like that. You know what? Maybe I'm thinking like right through here too. Maybe if I can get it. I'm kind of like this. Trying to decide if I'm going to put the longer marks on there. That's nice. What do we think about that? So I'm going to make some marks through here. Yeah, just move here a little bit. A couple more down here. Okay, I want to put a little bit, this is the Baked Earth from Graphitint. And I just want to put like a little line through here. Just another little line. And then maybe I want one more over here, I think. Oh no. Okay, here it is with the matte. I like it. I like it. I like the sky. I like how that turned out. Love the antique linen. Like, look at that. I could have probably put some lines through there to make more light. I love the dark. Also adding in the extra ink, the Distress Oxide with the brayer worked out really nicely. And then spraying it down. I love this section here that we put down with the jelly plate. And of course I love the marks. And I like these little just dress marks that we put here. I think working with the jelly, or I'm sorry, with the watercolor and the Distressed Oxide is pretty cool. I mean, I love this sky. Like, I think it turned out even better than the last one. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be back tomorrow with another video, hopefully, and you guys have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.